Hello and welcome back to Digital Assets Daily. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in your corner of the world. Doing a quick video on the Vega protocol. The Vega are building an open blockchain and protocol for performant leverage derivatives trading on any underlying asset. Vega brings the benefits of Bitcoin and other crypto assets to financial derivatives, permissionless trading, censorship, resistance, and independence from middlemen. Barney Mannerings and Dave Harishian will present on the design and implementation of the Vega protocol, from the importance of the opportunity to the unique challenges of building a professional quality, decentralized trading, risk management, and settlement platform. The interview with the Vega protocol talks about goals in the project of Ripple Spring. First question was for all readers reading about the Vega protocol for the first time. Could you please tell us in a few sentences what the Vega protocol is and how it works? And stated in the answer is Vega is a fundamental level of infrastructure for programmable markets and financial products on the blockchain. It allows users to create, customize, and deploy markets safely with minimal effort. And then Vanessa Pastrito stated decentralized finance is innovating on market access for trading, lending, making markets, and more. The DeFi industry overall has the potential to realize more efficient economics for all participants. It is early days for DeFi, and the market for decentralizing infrastructure for new applications and use cases is growing. Pastrito revealed that the Brad Garlinghouse-led blockchain firm Ripple's investment and incubation arm Spring has been developing in the DeFi industry. As Spring was building its own contingent of an engineering team, the initiative will continue to engage with DeFi teams and community to support the future of DeFi, including the derivatives industry, which is a $1 trillion market, as stated by the director. And as we know, the XRP is designed for enterprise, wholesale, and the institutional market where the derivatives is. And as they've stated, once they can get away from the remittance, they can focus on the derivatives. But again, I think that's a great thing because Ripple is designed for institutional bridging of assets and currency. So if we can get them there as fast as possible, that'll be excellent as an investor's perspective. But it would be interesting to see on the financial industry perspective too, because Ripple is designed to move those large amounts and large volumes. So it'll be cool to see what happens over the next year or two. Vega raises $5 million to develop decentralized derivatives protocol, and the Pantera Capital leads oversubscribed seed round with top global blockchain and technology VCs. But the global group of strategically chosen backers includes Spring from Ripple, Hashed, NGC Ventures, Gummy Cryptos, Capital, Rockaway Blockchain, KR1, Eden Block, Focus Labs, Greenfield One, Monday Capital, and RSK Ecosystems Fund. In Vega, we see a project with the potential to disrupt and transform the financial landscape with decentralized margined products. The team has visioned for the future of finance as a level playing field in which all people can participate, and that vision is integral to the blockchain ethos and represents everything we are fighting to enact, said Paul Baradaket, the partner at Pantera Capital. Investing in the Vega protocol, a decentralized derivatives protocol, decentralized finance is innovating on market access for trading, lending, making markets, and more. And the DeFi industry overall has the potential to realize more efficient economics for all participants. It is early days for DeFi, and the market for decentralizing infrastructure for new applications and use cases is growing. And then into the article, there's another statement that says, I am pleased to announce our investment in Vega protocol. Vega is a protocol for creating and trading derivatives on a fully decentralized network. So again, showing the focus on XRP connecting to Vega for derivatives, which will be very, very exciting. And as a proof of stake protocol, Vega uses the Tendermint as its consensus layer. And first, Vega will support integration with Ethereum to allow Ether and ERC20 tokens to be used as collateral, but the design enables it to interoperate with other assets and networks, and their team took this into account at the early stages of their design. And as we've shown time and again. Ripple, Stellar, and Ethereum are basically the basis for the entire new financial system. Pantera Capital, Ripple's spring, led the $5 million funding round into crypto trading startup Vega. Just want to share a little bit of this article because each one shows more confidence in the discussion at hand, but there's a different perspective from each of the articles, a little bit of different focus on the content of the description. In addition to trading, the Vega protocol has two other important functions, he said: on-chain governance for new and change markets, and calculation and administration of the system of incentives and fees that makes it all come together. And it's a combination of those two features that gives Vega users the greater flexibility over their own trading experience. Mannering's explained. And for example, traders using the Vega protocol will be able to include special instructions with their orders stating what types of counterparties they can trade with, and the protocol will then ensure that trades are matched only when they can comply with that set of instructions. An introduction into the Vega protocol. Vega is a technology protocol and associated crypto asset for an open, blockchain-backed public network for fully automated end-to-end trading and execution of financial products. The network is secured with proof of stake and implements pseudonymous margin trading using a novel liquidity incentivization scheme based on market forces to solve the problem of attracting and allocating market-making resources in a decentralized system. Permissionless innovation is enabled by smart products, which allow anyone to create products and propose new markets. This works in tandem with a decentralized margin system using a suite of risk models based on coherent risk measures to enable the safe trading of arbitrarily complex instruments in an environment with zero expected recovery in the event of default. Products can reference practically any underlying piece of other data feed, allowing participants to define and trade a wide range of instruments across the full spectrum of global markets. The cross-chain settlement means that the protocol is blockchain agnostic and allows trades to settle in any crypto asset residing on a supported chain, paving the way for physically settled in addition to cash settlement products as commodity and asset tokenization become widespread. Here's where I thought it was interesting also. Stellar at stellar.org on their Twitter announcing Vega, SDF's new Stellar-built savings and spending app for Latin America. And then here we have the Vega Pay wallet will be revolutionary. Stellar Development Foundation, SDF, is working on an exclusive app for the Stellar ecosystem. The Vega Pay will allow you to convert from local currency to popular cryptocurrencies and even other fiat currencies. Vega will give you access to fair exchange rates for converting your fiat. Every fiat currency listed on Vega is backed by actual currency deposited into their or partners' banks. The best part is that you do not need to have a U.S. bank account or be a U.S. citizen to hold U.S. dollar or any other currencies. All this runs on the Stellar ecosystem, and since SDF themselves is building this and isn't relying on another entity for any part of it, we are expecting VegaPay to be a very polished product. And VegaPay app is still in development. Hopefully there will be a beta version soon for users to test it out. CEO of Stellar Development Foundation, Danelle Dixon, said in a recent podcast that Vega will be out in a couple months, so look out for official release in the second quarter of 2020. The Stellar Vega Payments app will let you deposit XLM and BTC. Stellar is working in building a payments app called Vega. It will have both Stellar Lumens XLM and Bitcoin deposit functionality. It will also have a couple of fiat anchors, possibly USD and Euro. The SDF building Vega, a cross-currency savings, spending, and sending app. And then I would like to share here the Vega Wallet financial services. Vega Wallet's mission is to invent and implement real-world applications for cryptocurrency. And then they have their website explaining the wallet, ICO, etc. So I found that interesting. And then I did find a very updated, vibrant app that lets you convert your currency to USD, and it runs on Stellar blockchain. The Vibrant app is a USD savings app that lets you protect your money from inflation by converting your fiat currency into USDX, formerly known as Vega Pay. And USDX is an Anchor USD, a Stellar asset that runs on Stellar blockchain and is pegged to the US dollar. Sounds a lot similar to the Stronghold. And that's it, guys, for a quick update. The links will always be provided in the description below, so check those out if you're interested in more further information. Really, I thought the obviously the fun in showing the Stellar Vega with the Vega connected to Ripple and doing the derivatives. I was trying to keep it fun. As you know, those two are the favorites of this channel, and they're 2/3 of the basis for the new financial system, Ripple, Stellar, and Ethereum. So again, guys, this is not financial advice. It is for entertainment purposes only, and it won't be much longer. As we discussed yesterday's video, it is getting very, very exciting very quickly in this space. Much love to all of you. Thanks for your support, and we will catch you in the next one.